Good evening. We are here at the Lakshman Khatirgam Institute to celebrate the Women's Day Awards ceremony. So I hope you stick around as we will be speaking to some very inspirational women right here on Daily Mirror and Lankadeep Online.
මගේ දියණිය වගේ තව දසදහස් ගණනක් දරුවෝ මේ යුද්ධයට කැපවෙච්ච ඒ තමන්ගේ පියවරුන් යුද බිමේ සටන් කරන විට තමන්ගේ අම්මලා ආච්චිලා නැන්දලා එක්ක ඒ අය කාලය ගත කරා. අම්මා වරුනේ සම්මා සම්බුදු Amma varune daruvangedu katulu dakinada suranaru sita atpa ekuleli kisina.
Hi guys, I'm here with Neelika right now. How are you doing?
Good.
So what do you think of today's ceremony?
I think it was a good initiative and a good start to honor the forces, because I think when you look at where all the women have come throughout the years, I think it's the forces which like if you take the field I'm coming from, the medical field or the science field, I mean there's no difference. A woman, if she wants, if given the opportunity, she can do whatever she wants. It's not the same with the forces, so I think this is a good initiative.
අතර මද දිනය ජාත්‍යන්තර කාන්තා දිනය තේමා කරගෙන ශ්‍රී ලංකා පොලිසිය හා ත්‍රිවිධ හමුදාවේ කාන්තා නිලධාරිනියන්ගේ සේවය අගයනුවස් අද දින මේ පැවැත් වූ උපහාරවල ඇතරම ටැලන්ට් හීරෝ සංවිධානය තරුණ සංවිධානයක් විදිහට ඔවුන්ගේ විෂය කියන්නේ ඔවුන් නව ආරක ගිහිල්ලා අලුත් දෙයක් කරලා තියෙනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ සමාජයේ අද සමාජයේ දැක්කහම තරුණ පරපුර දකින්න කෝණයෙන් ඔබට ගිහිල්ලා හොඳ සංවිධානාත්මක ඒ වගේම හොඳ මාතෘකාවක් ඔස්සේ ඒ වගේම සේවය අගය කිරීමවස් අවධානය යොමු වෙති සමාජ පැතිකඩකට යොමු වෙලා ඔවුන් කරපු මේ කාර්ය ඇත්තටම මේ අගය කිරීම මම ඊටම සතුටටපත් වෙනවා. ඒ වගේම ඔවුන්ගේ කාර්ය විශාල සාර්ථක සහ අගය කළ යුතු කාර්යභාරයක් අභිමානවත් තරුණ සංවිධානයක් විදිහට මේ වගේ නැගීන සංවිධානයක සංවිධාන ශක්තිය ගැන මම සතුටු වෙනවා. ඇත්තටම යාලා මේ සංවිධානය මේ සම්බන්ධව සූදානම් වෙද්දී තරුණ විශ්වවිද්‍යාල ප්‍රවේශයෙන් විශ්වවිද්‍යාල අධ්‍යාපනයෙන් සමාජයට අවතීර්ණ වුණ තරුණ කණ්ඩායමක් විදිහට ඔවුන්ගේ අදහස ඔවුන් සමාජය බලපු පැතිකඩ ඉතාමත් අගය කළ යුතු වෙනවා.
ටීම් හීරෝ කණ්ඩායම එකතු වෙලා ගීතයක් කාන්තාව වෙනුවෙන් නිර්මාණය කරලා ඒ ගීතය අභිමන්ලිය කියන වැඩසටහන යටතේ අද දින එළි දක්වලා අපි වගේ ත්‍රිවිධ හමුදාවේ වගේම පොලිසියේ වීරෝදාර සෙබලියන් වෙනුවෙන් උපහාර පිදීමක් සිදු කළා. ඉතින් අපි මම විතරක් නෙමෙයි තව මේ වගේ අභීත දේනිවරුන් ත්‍රිවිධ හමුදාව වගේම පොලිසියේ ඉන්නවා. ඉතින් ඒ සියලු දෙනාටම මේ මම අද දින ඔබගේ ටීම් එකෙන් ලබාගත්ත මේ සම්මානය මා ඇතුළු ත්‍රිවිධ හමුදාව වගේම පොලිසිය වගේම සිවිල් ආයතන රාජ්‍යංශ පෞද්ගලික අංශ සියලුම ආයතනවල දියණිවරුන්ට මේක උපහාරයක් කියලා මම
University students, they have got together, and that's a fine, I mean, good decision taken by them, especially in relation to ladies. But still, we live in a patriarchal society. But they, I mean, the ladies, they play important role in the society. I mean, they are, I mean, not only at home, but even at office, they do. So anyway, I mean, when they do this type of things, you know, to like felicitate or to give awards, I mean some motivation. Yes. Then the others also think, you know, it's good for the other day. I'll say for example, armed forces and the police and the academics, doctors and business people. The ladies also were there. So that means, you know, I mean, when they recruit people also, they can sometimes give priority to the ladies when they are qualified. I'm not telling that to, I mean, totally to treat the ladies, but anyway, I mean, need. At the very beginning, I told you that we live in a patriarchal society. So, but anyway, the mother, the wife, sisters. So that is how. So anyway, that it's well organized, and the speech given by the secretary is fantastic because he explained, I mean, his experience.
I'm here with someone who needs no introduction, Sulochana Segera. How are you doing?
I'm good.
So how do you think today's event went, the ceremony?
I think the event was good. What we have to understand is these were organized by young group of youth, right? So we always blame the youth in Sri Lankan youth, thinking that the negative side. I think they have proven there's a positivity also, and Sri Lanka is going to have a hope that our youth will take the lead of change.
And also they prioritizes the forces. What do you think of that?
I think that's the first time it has happened in Sri Lankan history, and the best part is the ladies, the corporate ladies were giving the award. So it's whatever your, I think the background, a woman is a woman, and women are born leaders.
Since it's International Women's Day tomorrow, what word of advice or word of wisdom would you give the ladies out there?
So I would say in Sri Lanka now it's like a commercialized thing, and Women's Day is not a Valentine's Day, right? So Women's Day is there to celebrate womanhood, and also it's not about just celebrating a mother. This is not the Mother's Day, right? So whether you are a mother, whether you are married or unmarried, whether you are single, whether you are a single mother, whether you are a daughter, celebrate it. Just be happy that you are born as a woman, because you are the change makers of the world.
Hi Kasturi, how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Couldn't have been better. So what do you think of today's ceremony?
I know, I was so inspired, and there was hope again in our lives that the younger generation, the youth, have decided to have this Abhimanliya Awards. And the thing which I was emotional about was that you're celebrating the Triforce's women. I mean, they are doing such a tough job. They are in territory which is like male, supposedly male, but they're still mothers, daughters, they are caregivers. And to celebrate them was amazing. So I think it's a good initiative, and I'm proud that our youth, male and female, are kind of thinking this way.
And since it's International Women's Day tomorrow, could you give the females out there a little bit of advice and some words of wisdom?
Yeah, I think this all shattering the glass ceiling and all is like done and dusted. We've got so many people who have shattered. One bit of advice now is going forward the path. People have created the path for you, but on the path, remember, navigate it as your own unique self. So because we tried to be somebody else, we were trying to be try to own it the way a guy would, but now you might try to own it like the previous female would. Just own it like yourself, be unique, be your best version of yourself, and just don't force it the path. Just make sure you do excellent work every day, and tomorrow would be always better.
Thank you so much, Kasturi, and enjoy the rest of the evening. Hi guys, I'm here with Sandra right now. How are you doing, Sandra?
Doing great, thank you.
So what do you think of today's awards ceremony?
Wow, I think it's a fantastic idea. It's amazing that these young adults got together from across these universities to do something as noble as really looking at women as their role models and felicitating women. And it was even nicer, and it's quite unique because of the fact that they brought the forces together. I just felt, I was actually drawn to tears at one point. Yeah, it was really heartwarming.
Yeah, especially them prioritizing the air forces will actually give them some motivation. What do you think of that?
Yes, of course. And I thought it was a nice idea that they planned it in a way that the forces would come in and actually have women in, private sector, give the awards to the forces. That's like a nice bonding and quite unique, I think. I don't think it's ever been done anywhere else in the world before.
Hi guys, I'm here with Indrani Fernando right now. How are you doing, Indran?
Fine, really fine. And I'm very happy with the program today, especially because it's concerning women. So what I always say is a woman is a multitasker. So a woman, it's not only success starts from home. So if you really bring up good children, and good children who, has to be, that is where it starts. The country prospers, and then we give the society good human beings. So what I always say is it's not only doing a job and earning and going up. If your home is not okay, then there's no point.
අපි යුනිවර්සිටිස් කීපයක අධ්‍යාපනය හදාරන ශිෂ්‍ය ශිෂ්‍යාවන් සහ ඒ වගේම අධ්‍යාපනය හදාරලා ඉවර වෙච්ච කට්ටිය සහ විවිධ ක්ෂේත්‍රවල රැකියාවල ඉන්න තරුණ තරුණිය කණ්ඩායමක් එකතු වෙලා අපේ හීරෝ ටීම් කියන අපි සංවිධානය අපි පිහිටවගෙන තියෙනවා. ඒ හීරෝ ටීම් එකේ පළවෙනි ඉවෙන්ට් එක තමයි කාන්තා දිනය වෙනුවෙන් අපි මේ විදිහට දියත් කරන්න කල්පනා කරේ. විශේෂයෙන්ම ත්‍රිවිධ හමුදාවේ සහ පොලිසියේ කාන්තා නිලධාරියන්ගේ සේවා වගේම සඳහා අපි අභිමන්ලිය ගීතය නිර්මාණය කරා. අභිමන්ලිය ගීතයෙන් අපි හිතනවා Three forces විශේෂයෙන්ම ත්‍රිවිධ හමුදාවේ සහ පොලිසියේ කාන්තා නිලධාරිනියන්ට ඒ ගෞරවය ලබා දෙන්න අපිට හැකි වේවි කියලා විශේෂයෙන් අද ඒ සඳහා කමල්ගොඩ මහතා ඇතුළු ආරක්ෂක අංශවල ප්‍රධානීන් සියලු දෙනා එකතු වුණා. අපි ඉදිරියේදී විශේෂයෙන්ම අභිමන්ලිය කියන සන්නාමය සහිතව අපි ඉදිරියේදී සමාජයට තරුණ තරුණයන් බල ගැනීම සඳහා අපි ටීම් හීරෝ විදිහට කටයුතු කරන්න සූදානම්ෙන් සිටිනවා.
Guys, I'm here with Pawan right now, the brainchild behind this lovely ceremony we just saw today. So what do you think of today's ceremony?
Well, overall it was a success because I could actually remember we were getting ready for this event since last year March, but then since when Corona struck in, we actually had to postpone everything. But then we started doing everything. I think since a short time of period, like a month, we started everything, and we were able to pull it off with a huge success. So yeah.
And also you guys prioritizes the forces. What do you have to say to that?
Yeah. So basically the main reason why we prioritize the three forces and police is because we know that there have been songs, there have been movies and everything which have been launched paying nobility to the male core of the three forces and police. So but then we wanted to make a change, and I think this is the first time that
yeah, you guys are very unique.
Yeah.
Very unique.
So I think this is the first time that anyone had done something with regards to the female core of the three forces and police. So I think we could actually pass a message through this to the society as well. Well,
yeah. Can we expect this to happen next year as well?
Yes. So thank you for asking the question, because we are actually planning to continue this every year, probably focusing on the Universal Women's Day. So yeah.
Amazing. We're looking forward to it. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the evening. So we have come to an end of this amazing awards ceremony. My name is Amantha Pereira, signing off.